Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Kettlebell Quickies. Wait, where is he? Who's talking? Here I am. I know, difficult to see in all this camouflage, but I have to stay out of the sight of my enemies. So keep your eyes on my shoes and pay attention because I'm going to show you a fantastic, a beautiful, and absolutely perfect beginner kettlebell workout that is also amazing for veterans. So if you are an experienced kettlebell user, stick around because here is the cold truth, my friends. It's as cold of truth as it is here in Wisconsin, which is very cold. And that is that when you become more experienced, when you are a veteran, you don't necessarily move further away from the basics, you move deeper into them and you utilize them in more ways, in more intense ways. So check it out. A good beginner kettlebell workout to me should check several boxes. One, it should be simple. We should be focusing on the basic core kettlebell exercises, okay? That's the first box I want to check. Number two is it should allow you to practice these moves and to own your kettlebell craft as much as it helps you to burn calories. So that means doing the exercises in a way that is purposeful for the purposes of a workout, but also, reasonable enough that you can really focus on the technique and you can hit each exercise with precision. So it counts both as a workout and practice. And number three is that it actually helps you to achieve multiple things at once. If you're a busy person, a busy dad, a busy mom like I am, we want efficiency, right? So if we can hit, strength and endurance, maybe even a little bit of mobility all in the same routine, awesome for busy people looking for a great workout. This routine checks all those boxes. 3 basic exercises. Let me talk you through it. I'll explain as we move along. We're going to start with 10 two-hand kettlebell swings, all right? We all know this one. This is foundational. So we're going to start with 10 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to immediately come up to the goblet squat, and we're going to perform 5 reps. So we went from a hinge to a squat, a good number of reps, but not so many that we can't focus on maintaining good technique. 2, all the way down with a flat back. 3, 4, 5. Now the final exercise in this sequence is the military press, but now we're just going to 3 reps, and I'll explain why in a minute. 1, 2, 3. So the sequence, switch sides of course, get the other side done, is 10, 5, 3. And the reason this is great is because you can, if you want, go pretty heavy with this. So if you want this exercise to really hit strength, I recommend using something like your 5 to 7 rep pressing max weight. That will still be super awesome for swings and squats, but it will really let you focus on building that upper body grinding strength. Alternatively, you can go lighter. This is a relatively light kettlebell, even for pressing for me, and just push the pace and get as many rounds as you can as quickly as possible with good technique in 15 to 20 minutes and turn it more into a muscle endurance routine. So let's do another round. If you are, again, a little bit more advanced, you can, of course, just, go heavier, but you could also use double kettlebell exercises. So you could go double swing, front squat, and double press or seesaw press or something like that. So again, that's a good example of how something that is great for beginners can still be super useful for people who've been in the game a while. You know your kettlebell exercise as well. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the great thing about these types of workouts is you can switch the emphasis or focus without really changing the structure of the routine too much, right? So just by picking up a heavier weight, putting more rest between sets, you can make this more of an upper body strength building routine. By using a relatively lighter weight and pushing through more rounds, it becomes more of a metabolic conditioning and endurance routine. So awesome for beginners because it lets you practice purposefully 3 fundamental kettlebell techniques, swing, squat, press, done in a way where it's sufficiently intense but you can still pay attention to the nuances of the technique. And within 15 to 20 minutes, as many rounds as you can get, you will have an amazing workout that checks lots of boxes: strength, power, endurance, even some mobility. My name is Pat Flynn. Strong on. Hey, before you sneak off to those dark, creepy corners of the internet, don't forget to grab my new book, Strong On. If you want more workouts like this one, you'll get 101, count them, fat-blasting, muscle-boosting, time-crunch kettlebell workouts. It's on Amazon. It's a #1 bestseller in all the wrong categories, so go fetch yourself a copy. Strong On.